Question number 7, 8th part. Cos inverse x whole square. If we put here x is equal to cos theta, then your dx will be minus sin theta d theta, and your cos inverse x will be equal to theta. So we got it, cos inverse x will be theta, so it is theta square, and dx is minus sin theta d theta. This is what is your dx. So theta square into sin theta is a very basic question. First function, second function. First function as it is, integral of second minus cos theta minus derivative of theta square will be 2 theta, and integral of sin theta will be minus cos theta, and then again its integration. U into V by parts, all of you know. Then we have minus theta square into cos theta plus twice of, then again U into V, use the bracket, U into V, first function, second function. Integration procedure we cannot change. So first function as it is, for cos theta integral is sin theta minus derivative of first, then integral of second, and then again its integration. Now again in integration we need not use it, so it is minus minus plus theta square into cos theta. This will be a negative minus 2 theta sin theta, and this is negative, so out of this minus this will be positive. For sin theta integral is minus cos theta plus c. Now substitute the values, that is for theta square cos inverse x square, for cos theta it is x theta cos inverse x, sin theta, if cos theta is this, what will be sin theta? Under root of 1 minus x square. That we know, for cos theta is x, then sin theta will be under root of 1 minus x square, and cos theta is x plus c. This is in terms of x is your answer. Question number 8, first part, x upon 1 minus cos x. He said prove that the integral of this is this. You just simplify this and you will get this as answer. So x upon 1 minus x. 1 minus x, half angle formula is 2 sine square x by 2. And if we write it in numerator, then it is cosecant square. And integral of cosecant square we know. So first and second function according to INET, also algebraic and trigonometric, right? And integral of cosecant square directly we know. So first function as it is, integral of cosecant square is minus cotangent divided by 1 by 2, angle is linear, minus first derivative, then minus cotangent x by 2 divided by 1 by 2, so it is 2 by 1, and integral of this in multiplication with 1, so it is 1 by 2, this will be minus 2x cotangent x by 2. Cotangent integral is log of sine, that is log of sine x by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus c. Now just simplify, 2 and 2 cancelled out, minus x cot x by 2, and this will be 4 upon 2 will be 2 log of sine x by 2 plus c, and just check your answer. Minus x cot x by 2 plus twice of log of sin x by 2 plus c is the integral. Write it down.